how's it going? How's it going? Let me know if the audio is okay. Been a minute since I've done the stream from this side, so some of the settings might not be perfect. Juice, knock knock. How you doing? How you doing? Let me know if the audio levels are good. If you can hear me correctly and clearly. Music's not too loud. This is my first live for the year. This might be my first live on this channel for the year. Jeez. I have. It's almost the end of Feb. It's been 2 months. Jeez, I have been slacking on here. How's everybody doing? You guys good? You guys still well? Giddy, what's up, fam? Hope you're doing well. I need to get my head out of my ass. Like, why has it taken me so long to? Oh, I know why it's taken me so long to get on here. But it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Audio good, music a tad high. Okay. Okay, is that better? Oh, so I think there's a massive delay on the stream. I need to work on that. That is a massive delay. Okay, but let me know if the music's better. This fly is still here. Oh. Okay. Let's see here. Yo, you can tell it's been a while, chat. I am still figuring stuff out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Good now. Awesome. All right, fam. Let's get to it. What I want to do today is just a soft land back into things. I'm just going to do some data collection on how the Power Ranger has done thus far for the year. It has not been doing great, not gonna lie. But is what it is. We're gonna do a little bit of reconnaissance just to see, okay, cool, what are some things. I've already made one tweak to the Power Ranger so far, just to account for how the market conditions have been since DT came into power. It all switched after his inauguration. That's when everything switched up. So the markets have been a little bit more volatile. However, I think a lot of that excitement has died down now, looking at how the markets have behaved this week. Haven't been able to catch a win on it yet. Took a break even 2 days ago, I want to say. No entry yesterday. So I think things are going to settle. So I'm hoping we do get a turnaround. But I've also decided I'm going to start doing the grubber kick on the account as well. Just because I've been really successful in the grubber kick the last 4 weeks. So just to inch my way out of drawdown on the overall account. So that's where we're at. Okay. Let's get into it. What screen is this thing using? All right. Why are you on this screen and not that screen? Okay, this is going to confuse me a little bit. But rather than start messing around with settings, let me just swap screens over here. Okay. Zoom in a bit. It is hilarious how different these settings are, setup to setup. Okay, so we're going to do some data collection on here. Let's see how things have gone so far. All my back testing has been done on here. All the forward testing back testing has been done on here. So just going to do some data collection. See where things are for the year. Because I need to do this anyway. And you guys might as well be around for it. Ugh, I deleted my subscription and now I can't go further back. Okay, we'll get the data we can. I'll probably just reboot the subscription up again so I can get that past data. Okay. So we'll start with here 27 Jan. Let me move this to this screen. Jeez, I'm slow for the grubber after the break of AR. What's AR? Asia, the Asian range. We need to hit the EQ before yeah. So that's so you get the grubber and you get the reverse grubber. So the grubber is off the EQ, either buying or selling off the EQ itself. The reverse grubber is buying or selling towards the EQ. So for example, let me just show you what I was doing this morning. Let me just make sure I'm in the screen here. Yeah. So if you look at what I was doing today, so today was a decent reverse grubber. This was my plan for today. I think I took buys here. I had I think a 25 pip stop. And the plan was to go for the EQ. So this was the plan today. However, that candle tapped me in. As soon as we hit Asian highs, I went break even. We had French PMI come out. That tapped me out to break even. Excuse me. So I was maybe a little bit aggressive with the management here, but I figured like once we get the Asian highs, it could reverse, and where the account is right now, I'm also not keen to take too many shots. So that took me out of break even. I thought about re-entering on this candle, but I figured the Asian highs have already been tapped. That was my vantage point. We could still come down to this monthly S1. We could have done something to this effect. Come down to monthly S1, bounce off there, and then continue higher. And I didn't want to be in for that because that would have wicked me out. So I decided not to re-enter. But as you see, that candle took me out and we went right back bullish. So I'm going to wait and see what happens at the EQ later today. And then we'll take it from there. So so towards EQ, reverse grubber, away from the EQ. That's the grubber. That's how that works. Let me know if that makes sense. It was a good move. Just way too much news today. Didn't quite play out in my favor. Okay, so here's where I want to be. So you can see, Power Ranger has been taking some shots. Is what it is though. That was a 27. Oh shit! I forgot the number pad on here. He's linked to the sound effects. Okay. 27th was the Monday, and we went long on that. We were still using the 40 pip stop there. That was a loss. Okay. This one was hella unlucky because I wanted to long off here because I had a nice break, but this candle closed just back into the range, which technically invalidates the trade. Did it not run straight to TP after that? So didn't get in on this one. Wish I had, because that was marginal, man. But I wanted to be like, mechanical and strict with it, because this thing, where is that? Yeah, this closed just back in. If this had closed, that's not even a pip. If this had closed 2 pips higher, would have been in on that and would have had a nice little win on there. So that's a biggie gak. And then here, intra range play, that was also a loss. This was on the 29th. The Wednesday. Also attempted to go long, and I was still on the 40 pip. That one just wrong on the day. So what we based this one off on was this rejection candle here, and then that bullish candle there. When we broke above, attempted to go to the top of the range again, but that was just wrong on the day. which happens. No strat is 100%. This one we managed to lack a little win, which was nice. This was 30 Jan. And that was the Thursday. Yo, Chad, I cannot believe it's been 2 months since I've been on here. I have waited way too long to get back with the shad. Although in my defense, my mind was not. My mind has been very, very distracted the last little while. Let's see. We got break even on this one. This was 31st. Sup, buddy? Yeah. I am live with the shad. Okay, so are we ignoring that? Oh, okay, cool. Wait, is that little mistake on the ad we ran? Is that little mistake on the ad we ran? Oh no, sorry. That's the end screen. Okay, sick. Okay, cool. Oh, Chad, we got such a sick video coming out later. Your boy is an actor. Such an actor. That was break even on this one. So you see, yeah, almost ran. So this is break even. Was this the one I entered late on? No, I entered perfectly on this one. It just missed our target before reversing back, breaking us to break even. So a 2R trade would have worked out there, but it is what it is. We did with the stats we took last year. We did figure that the 2.5R gave the best results there. So still sticking with that, even moving forward. Did not quite get an entry here, which was unlucky, because if this candle had closed 3-4 pips higher, we would have entered on there, and that would have been a straight shot to TP. So that's the thing. The markets have been like, the strat, the overall idea has been correct. It's just not, either you just don't quite get the entry, or it retraces back, wicks us out, and then moves. For example, here, I wanted to take the buy here. It invalidated itself there. I think here, I after this, I had to go somewhere. So I'm like, okay, I can't watch the charts anymore. This could have been a win, because this was a confirmation candle. Would have entered there. I think this would have, wicked us out if we were in, because we had still a 40 pip stop at that point. So that would have wicked us out. So it's a good thing I wasn't in that trade, but you can see how wicked us out, ran straight. But it wasn't in on that one. Similar vibe here. I mean, like, it did go decently lower, because this was, how much here? So another 50 pips. So this would have been like a straight up loss, but the overall direction for the day would have been correct, because it still kept climbing. But that's the thing with, so this is Feb, eh? Yeah, 6th of Feb. But that's the thing with certain strats. They work under certain market conditions and not as well under others. So I've noticed that the Power Ranger works really well under trending markets. So when US 30 has big moves in a single direction, this works really well. If we're ranging, and we've been in a multi-week range the last couple weeks, the moves are big, but the moves are big back and forth within the same sort of range. When we're doing that, the Power Ranger does not tend to do as well. I'll show you what we mean when we're done here. There was no entry there. There was no entry there. Okay, I think that was a loss, eh? Yeah, we just missed out on break even there. Our break even point would have been up there. I think this is when we switch to the 50 pip stop, y'all. Okay, so 50 pip stop, 11 Feb. We're June here. Otherwise, Shad, how has your trading been going? Are we profitable for the year so far? This is 50 pepper. Me, not as much. I mean, my personal account is profitable for the year, so I don't want to disregard that, because I have this tendency of, like, because my personal account is so much smaller than what my funded accounts are, I tend to, like, shove it off as, like, not important. But that's been very profitable for the year so far. I just gotta get this funded right. See it, same thing. Broke, retest. Now I think this one I might have been a little bit what's the word? Overzealous, because technically this candle just missed its retest. It came just shy. So I maybe shouldn't have been in on this. I wasn't paying close enough attention. I didn't do my whole zoom in thing. But then we came back, retested the zone. We wouldn't have really gotten an entry. Because I might have wanted to enter there, but as soon as we broke and closed back in, I would have deleted that and we wouldn't have ran. But this was a loss we should have avoided. So that was on me. That was on me. Unfortunately, you don't always execute a strat perfectly. So a strat has its own losses, naturally as a strat, and then the person executing the strat is also going to have their own losses. There was no entry here because I was out of session. And I think that takes us to present day, eh? Oh, yeah, here's one. On the 18th. 18th Feb. This was a break-even day, eh? No, this is break-even. No, no, it should have been break-even. No, this is a break-even, yeah. That was a break-even one. Tuesday. We went short. And on the 50 pip, break-even. Okay. And then this one was the last loss we took, 19 Feb, which was on Wednesday. Short, and that was loss. Okay. TP after TP. This year's been good. Juice, I'm jealous, brother. I am very jealous. Well done. Well done. Okay, that's it, eh? Yeah, okay. We're at present day now. Sick. Okay. Let's just color code this. Okay, missing a few of the earlier wins and losses. So I'll get those later once I upgrade my thing again. I just find I suppose I'm going to start backtesting and stuff again. So maybe I should get the paid version of TradingView back. But I was like, I definitely wasn't using it over December. Okay, let's just work on this. Equals 1 win, so 1 times 2.5 minus 1 times, and there's 2 losses there, and then close that bracket. Cool. Copy that over. Paste. That is going to be now 0. And then paste. That is going to be 0. And this one is going to be 3. Fatality. Oh, jeez. Total RR is equal, no, not plus, equal U plus U. And then same thing for U. Okay, and that's minus 4.5%. Okay, we're missing a few of those earlier ones, but this does track. Okay, so far Power Ranger is taking shots, guys. It is in dire straits. But like I said, we're gonna introduce a couple changes. So change number one that we're gonna introduce is a 50 pip stop. What I also noticed Wednesday. So if you look here, so this is a trade I took on my personal account. And you see how the personal account is freaking winning. So I took this, I think, off the EQ. My target being this monthly R1 level. So it's nice, 1:3, took that. The Power Ranger only activated a little bit lower. So I think I'm gonna start incorporating the EQ when it's close by with the opening range. So we're gonna add a couple more confluences to the Power Ranger. There was also something else I noticed. There was a confluence Hein told me about. So using overall structure, because we could see that there was a little bit of a support level right here. Let me just get rid of some of these. So there's a support level here, right where the EQ was. And it was like, as we were breaking past that support level, he entered there. It's a very similar trade. So I'm like, okay, I think starting to use support and resistance is going to be part of the chat for the Power Ranger. So I'm very interested to see how we're going to do it today. Because that was the Tuesday, got a win there. Using the support level. Wednesday, similar vibe. So I have, that's what I'm saying. My personal account is doing really well because I don't take the Power Ranger on my personal account. So it's just the Power Ranger that's been taking shots as of late. So I'm really keen to see if incorporating that into the mix, how that's going to transform things. But yeah, chat, that's what I wanted to do now. Figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. We can go full screen again. So yeah, nice little reintroduction to these lives. Just so I can get back into the groove of things. I think I'm going to go back to doing these like twice a week. What was my schedule like before? Tuesdays. Was it Tuesdays and Fridays? Or Tuesdays and Thursdays, something like that. Maybe I should do Mondays because I do Traders Next Door on Tuesday and Friday. Maybe like Monday, Thursday should be the chat. I'll see. I'll take the weekend to think about it, let you guys know. But yo, it's Friday. I am very keen for a break. I'm very keen to just be able to chill, get my mind in a good spot. Like I said, mine's been all over the place the last couple weeks, so I'm keen to have a relaxing sort of weekend. I'm heading off to my sister's place in East London. Gonna go see my niece who's having a birthday. I need to go buy a gift, which I haven't done yet, so I should remember to do that. You've been gone so long, you forgot your schedule. Dude, it's been way too long. It's been way too long. But we'll get back into it. But thanks you guys for joining. Thanks for tuning in. And yo, I think we'll go back to like twice a week. So I wanna backtest the new Strat Hein told me about. See how that goes, so we can look forward to some little backtesting on that. And then yo, if you guys want to see anything else for that second little live, let me know. I am open to suggestions. I'm getting back to my normal self again, so we're gonna put pedal to metal and really start putting some effort back into the extra stuff that I haven't been finding the time for. We're gonna get back into that. All right, peace and love, Shad. I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.